Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I'd like to talk to you about our CP-475 cable pulling set for low voltage electrical, network, and coax cables. The CP-475 is a set of 2 pulleys with a snap swivel hook, deep groove pulley, anti-friction roller bearings, which helps keep the cable aligned with the direction of the pull, preventing snags and kinks. The pulley is made of strong ABS plastic with zinc-coated steel arms for long life and durability. The pulley is easy to remove from the cables after the pull is done. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.